Hello? Hello, mister?
Yes, hello, Dr. Darsono.
Yeah, hello, hello.
Okay, we can see you
Yeah,
from here. It's very clear.
clear, yeah?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
very clear. Try to say something. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.
Okay, good. Yes, your voice very clear. You can continue your lecture. Thank you.
Okay, okay. 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 And to material, development of circumcision in Indonesia and role of Asdoki. The picture clear?
Yes, the picture is very clear.
Okay. I'm continue. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Selamat pagi. Greeting of health and well-being to all who attend this day. Alhamdulillah. I was given the opportunity to give material at the Malaysian International Circumcision Conference, which was attended by doctors from within and outside in the country. I'm grateful to Dr. Saleh for inviting me as research for this event, and thank you to the ICC committee who organized this event for this opportunity present to material, namely the first, the development of circumcision in Indonesia, and the second role of Asdoki in Indonesia. The development of circumcision in Indonesia circumcision, known as sunat or hitan. The act of circumcision has been started in long time in Indonesia, since Islam entering the country. The total population in Indonesia, based on population data in 2020, is 268,586,012 people. The number in Indonesia who perform circumcision about 2.5 million children every year, and does not include circumcision in adults. Perspective of circumcision in Indonesia. 1. Religion. 2. Culture. 3. Tradition. Religion. Islam in Indonesia records mere circumcision usually at the age of 0 months to 12 years. If the circumcision is more than the age of 12, the child will be assigned the his peers. Islam requires circumcision in addition to religious reason. They also understand for wholesale reason. Circumcision in Indonesia has been carried out by Protestant Christian, Catholic Christian, Buddhist, Hindus, and Confucian, and the grounds of health and hygiene. Islamic leader and parents emphasize to the child that circumcision are worship that must be done by an Islamic man to make this religion more perfect. So their children are always to pray at the mosque. This also a reason that makes many children want to be circumcised immediately. In Indonesian culture, the record of boys to be circumcised after circumcision is about the age 4 to 12. Indeed, the culture of circumcision has been around for a long time, that the boy who has committed circumcision will be treated like the king of the day and have celebration together with people that have been invited to their home. Even in some areas, children, after circumcision, will be paired around the village and often done during mass circumcision. You can be seen in the picture. You can see circumcised children riding horse accompanied by traditional music and the other image is in a processing riding Isisingaan, the lion. In Indonesia, a tradition of circumcision in the past was usually done during school holidays. Twice a year during school holiday session, in June and December every year. This is because circumcision methods are still conventional and electroculture, so there cannot be much activity during the healing process. That's why it has to wait for the school holiday for circumcision. But now the tradition of circumcision has changed, not only done in two times a year, but the child was circumcised every day. Then there a modern circumcision method that is practical, that makes the can help faster do activities such as school, play, and going walk for an adulthood. The first picture, we can see the old tradition of children being circumcised, crying, and being scared. Second picture, the new tradition, circumcision today, tomorrow, can play again with smiling face of children. That is, we educate the people of Indonesia. The tradition has changed since the last 14 years since the creation of modern circumcision method. The momentum is taken by doctors in Indonesia to establish a circumcision house or circumcision clinic with own various attractions. Parents and children who wish to have to come to circumcision house to know the information now has changed. They can know the information from the internet such as Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, and health applications. And they can choose what method is best for circumcision at this time. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, ya, Rumah Sinar Ar-Rahman. This is the website and Play Store iOS Rumah Sinar Ar-Rahman. Circumcision method in Indonesia. 1. Traditional circum method. 2. Conventional circumcision method. 3. Modern circumcision method. Traditional circumcision method use simple method. This method is quite extreme because the traditional circumcision method is done without local anesthesia and being done by circumcision worker called bengkong, paraji, supit, or salak. Circumcision with guillotine technique, this method uses a circumcision tool made of bamboo called sembilu. Sembilu is bamboo skin that has been salted and become very soft. Anesthesia is done by asking the child to soak in a cold pool water. This method to make the child does not feel pain when circumcised. You look the picture, you can see the sembilu. Use the cut and the clamp to pinch the foreskin. For local anesthesia, it can be sent the children are soaked in a cold pool to make them cold, so that when they are circumcised, they are distracted by the cold. Seven and some are not sutured. Until now, there are many people who open circumcision service and still busy with the patient. One day can be 100 to 300 patients. On average, circumcision enthusiasts who practice circumcision are still rural area in Indonesia. In the picture, you can see that the Supit Bogam circumcision place, which is located the province of Yogyakarta, is very crowded with people because they believe that if circumcised in the place, there will be successful people because the place of working were circumcised in Yogyakarta. Besides that, many of these traditional healers are called to the patient house to be circumcised at their own home. They generally do not use local anesthesia. Traditional circumcision method failure rates are high. The incident with traditional circumcision method is that there are so many circumcision failures that the doctor in Indonesia have to make improvements to be neat and aesthetical fleshing. Conventional circumcision method. The circumcision method use local anesthesia before performing a circumcision so that the child does not feel pain when the foreskin penis is removed. Techniques used such as guillotine and dorsum sisi. Practitioners of conventional circumcision are practiced by doctors in urban area and nurses in rural area. Scissor and sewing tool used. The conventional method of circumcision a child will have limited activity and may not be exposed to water for 7 days. Technique conventional circumcision method, dorsum sisi and guillotine. Modern circumcision method. After circumcision, children can move immediately as usual, can take a shower and go straight to school the next day. This modern method uses an electric cauter, clamp, glue, and stapler. The circumcision process is quick short, only less than 10 until 15 minutes. The circumcision method is being done by doctor, a big city, and skilled nurse with sufficient skill in the part of circumcision. You like the picture? There are some of the circumcision packets sold at Rumah Sunat Ar-Rahman. They are the Mahdian clamp method, Smart clamp, Alice clamp, ZSR stapler, glue, and electrocauter. Modern circumcision method. The development of circumcision method in Indonesia. The number one electrocauter started in Indonesia in 1980. The number two clamp in Indonesia starting in the year 2006. Number three stapler began in the year 2017. Number four, the use of glue of circumcision began in the year 2018. So in the image using electrocauter and Alice clamp. Smart clamp, you can see the image, and Mahdian clamp. The next is the ZSR stapler method, and they use a glue with the Gomco clamp device. Here are some examples of circumcision methods in obese children and obese adults using electrocauter. In this picture, modern circumcision device in Indonesia. A Smart clamp, Alice clamp, Mahdian clamp, Sunatron, Rapid clamp, stapler ZSR, dan stapler Lange, stapler Reed, Gomco clamp, Winkelmann clamp. Circumcision in Indonesia is performed at all age. Baby, 20%. Circumcision for baby caused by heart ration-related phimosis case. 2. Religious. 3. Faster cure rate. Children, 70%. 1. Religious, cultural, and traditional factor. 2. Time for next being circumcised. 3. Heart ration. Adults, 10%. 1. Health and hygiene factor. 2. Religious factor converting to Islam. Profession that perform circumcision. Salak, dukun sunat, bogom supit. 2. Nurse. 3. General practitioner. 4. General surgeon. 5. Urological surgeon. 6. Pediatric surgeon. Percentage of profession that performing circumcision. Salak, dukun sunat, or bogom supit, 20%. Nurse, 50%. Doctor, 3%, 30%. This picture, Glen Penis accidental cut-off guillotine technique. Each year there are 2 until 3 patients in Indonesia. The picture case happen to 1 or 2 patients every year. The occurrence of cranial gland necrosis according the source from the hospital was carried out by a nurse using local anesthesia with a Vacaine with the rather contraindication used for circumcision. Necrosis gland penis. Medical legal for circumcision in Indonesia. By law and legislation in Indonesia, circumcision is the competence of doctor. However, many circumcision are performed outside of the medical profession, such as dukun sunat, salak, bogem supit, and nurse. So far, the Indonesian government has been left out without a firm action until now. In Indonesia, medical circumcision is done in places like the following: 20% doctor private practice, 70% circumcision clinic or circumcision house, 10% hospital. Medical legal for Indonesia, Permenkes number 9 about clinic is a technical regulation government the operation the first and second level health service facility in the form of clinic. Clinic is health service facility that provides individual health service, they provide basic and or specialist medical service. Clinic types. 1. Pratama Clinic. Clinic that provide basic medical service, both general and special. The main clinic. Clinic that provides specialist medical service or basic and specialist medical service. Can specialist service in a particular field based on branch or discipline or organ system. KMK 514/2015, PPK Vaskes Primer, describe medical service in clinic and community health center. Permenkes number 5 years 2014 clinical particle guide circumcision entered into 4 of competence by a general practitioner. Circumcision house, circumcision clinic in Indonesia. Previously in Indonesia, there were no circumcision house or circumcision clinic. 14 years ago, Indonesia permitted medical circumcision in private doctor, hospital, and nurse. The development in 2006 began to develop circumcision house or circumcision clinic that were established time there was circumcision with modern techniques such as Tara clamp and Smart clamp. Here are some examples for circumcision house or circumcision clinic in Indonesia. One of which is Rumah Sunat Ar-Rahman and Omah Sunat. And in Indonesia, the circumcision house performs house of service every day. The development of Rumah Sunat or clinic circumcision in Indonesia has been established since 2006, and this is the first milestone in changing the history of traditional or circumcision in Indonesia. This change began to shift from private doctor or hospital to circumcision house or circumcision clinic. The transition is due to the fact that the circumcision house or clinic has facilities that make the clinic change to be comfortable according to conditions like at home, so that it's not scary for children. In addition, the circumcision house or clinic provides freedom when doing circumcision by playing on the PlayStation, gadget, VR, watching movie on YouTube, and giving gifts when the circumcision finishes, such as gift remote control car and drone, as well as providing photo session for patients and parents for their circumcision celebration. Facility in circumcision house. Circumcision pen, waterproof circumcision pen. They are disposable We are a prophet circumcision kit. These are disposable, and we provide for circumcision car box to take home for car to care well at home. Besides that, we also provide circumcision certificates and children toy gifts. Registration Information Room, Rumah Sunat 123, and Rumah Sunat Lamongan. Waiting Room, Omah Sunat, Rumah Sunat Dr. Jaka, like Homi, ya, sign Homi. Rumah Sunat Estetika, Rumah Sunat 123. You seen the picture, the waiting room. This is example of a waiting room in a circumcision house in Indonesia, with a homey look that makes it comfortable for parents and children who are waiting. Here we provide toys, comics, and books to read, such as the picture shown is Omah Sunat, Rumah Sunat Dr. Jaka, Rumah Sunat Estetika, and Rumah Sunat 123. Playroom. To make children not bored while waiting in line for circumcision, Rumah Sunat provides a place to play with, make them more comfortable while waiting. Circumcision practice room, Rumah Sunat Estetika. In the picture, I saw the room where the circumcision in the locate. Here you can see the bed, the form as a car to make the children make comfortable and like it. Picture 2, Omah Sunat. Here is seen at the time of circumcision scene, miniature Iron Man, X-Men, Captain America watching a child being circumcised. The concept is deliberately made to attract more children to be circumcised. Circumcision practice room, Pusat Klinik Hitanku, and Rumah Sunat Jogja. You can see this picture. The patient bed is made a model of the tire glass, which makes children more enjoyable during circumcision. Circumcision being comfortable as at home. Virtual reality, playing gadgets, watch movie in YouTube, the picture playing game PlayStation. Photo session, Rumah Sunat SMM, and Rumah Sunat Jogja. From 2006 to 2012 circumcision, we still practice twice a year during school holiday only, in June and December. From 2012 until now, with the development of digital technology and the existence of the internet, website, social media, and health application, doctors in Indonesia, together with ASDOCI, Indonesian Circumcision Doctor Association, educate to Indonesia public that circumcision can now be done every day without waiting holding session, and explain the benefits of circumcision to Indonesian society. The process is accompanied by online promotion with social media, website, and health application. Is circumcision house or clinic to provide information that current circumcision is easy, practical, efficient, can go to school and direct activity. So that there is a change the mindset of Indonesian society. Since 2012 until now, baby, children, and adults can be circum every day and do not have to wait for school holiday or work holiday for adults. Circumcision house in Indonesia. In the picture, in holiday in December of the year 2019, there are a lot of circumcision at Rumah Sunat Ar-Rahman. About 30 to 50 patients every day. And this year holiday during the COVID-19 pandemic in July, there was decreased about 40% of circumcision patients. signed 2006 circumcision house in Indonesia have been promoting baby circumcision and educated to inform them about the advantages of circumcision so that currently many newborn babies are circumcised in Indonesia. In addition, we also promote circumcision without needles so that it changes the mindset pattern in Indonesia society that current circumcision does not hurt and has minimal pain during local anesthesia. Select picture. Biosunat tanpa suntik. Jet injection system versus needle injection. The picture 3. Manfaat sunat bayi. Education.
Hello? Hello, Dr. Darsono? Can you hear me? Hello, Dr. Darsono?
Are educational for the people in Indonesia. Marketing online. You look picture. Selamat dan terima kasih sunat hari ini, besok bisa main lagi. In online marketing, we create interesting content, such as in the example image with education today's circumcision tomorrow. Can play again, and we also explain the circumcision method in our circumcision house. You like the picture? You see the picture? Online marketing as the image for circumcision content for children with special needs and circumcision of the genie. Here we explain educational to the Indonesian people related to this content. You look the picture. It's online marketing. We also inform the public that circumcision at Rumah Sunat Ar-Rahman is given to toy gift after being circumcised, so that it makes children want to be circumcised immediately. Thank you. Now, material Asdoki. This moment, role of Asdoki. Okay.
Hello, Dr. Darsono.
Hello. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hear you.
Okay.
Okay. Asdoki. Material 2. Asdoki was formed from the idea doctor who are interested in circumcision in Indonesia because there is no organization association of doctors who are interested sharing the science of circumcision. Asdoki was performed. There are still many general practitioners who have finished their study and haven't been able to perform complete and independent circumcision. Asdoki was born to create health service that protect the rights of all parties, including the rights of patients and also the rights and health workers who provide professional health service in circumcision sector. In picture Munas Asdoki, Knowledge and Skill Circumcision Update, Hotel Ibis Style Airport, Jakarta. Asdoki established on May 6, 2018. Stroke First National Conference, Munas, attended by 250 doctor representatives from 35 provinces in Indonesia. General practitioner, pediatric surgeon, neurosurgeon, anesthetist, nutrition specialist, pulmonologist. Election of the general chairman for a period of 3 years. A host constitution was formed as organization guide and organization policy direction. Asdoki National Conference. This picture shows that the first Asdoki National Conference in Jakarta is taking place. Arranged by Assessor Council, Central Director, and Regional Director. One Accessory Council as the Central Executive Assessor in top implementing the work program for medical organizations that are interested in circumcision in Indonesia. 3. Regional Director to take care of membership in each region and continuing direction, police, and the Central Director. 10 Regional Director were formed. Banten, DKI Jakarta, West Java, Central Java, Yogyakarta, East Java, Sulawesi, North Sumatra, South Sumatra, Kalimantan Region, Papua, Bali, and NCT and NCB. The number of Asdoki members throughout Indonesia is 1400. Its member card Asdoki. Asdoki work meeting. Preparing to Asdoki work program for a period of 30 years. Here work are present are the Asdoki Central Director who has been selected during the National Congress. Here we have a 2-day work meeting to produce program that will be carried out by Asdoki Central Director. In this picture, it can be seen at the inauguration of the Central Director and Regional Director. Vision, mission, and goal. Visi. Asdoki is expected that Indonesia will eventually be able to become the icon and example in the world of circumcision around the world. Considering that the circumcision rate in Indonesia is the largest in the world. Mission. To reground the knowledge and skill of circumcision among doctors, so that level 4A, competence in the act of circumcision, is the directly proportional the scientific and clinical skill possessed. Goal. Eliminating the gap between the authority caused by doctor and the fact that ability still needs to be improved, both in the terms of science and skill. Second, 3. Training of trainer circumcision program. 4. Circumcision competence certification. 5. Create standard circumcision procedure for all circumcision methods used by Asdoki members. Mass circumcision program. 7. Pre-circumcision program for orphan and duafa children. 8. Creating a concept of circumcision service in clinic. A circumcision place in Indonesia is safe, comfortable, and professional for the Indonesian people. Picture. This is a present several seminar and workshops that have been conducted in Indonesia with participants and speakers from within and outside the country. In picture, during a circumcision workshop attended by Indonesia and Malaysian doctors. And this workshop seminar was held for 2 days. The first day of circumcision theory and second day it was hands-on patient. Circumcision competency certification. After attending a circumcision seminar or workshop, ASDOKI member to open a professional circumcision service and become a circumcision trainer must participate in competency certification for various circumcision methods. This program will be trained and guided by ASDOKI head trainer and trainer at workshop event which will be held 4 times a year for certain circumcision methods. 1. Theory class. 2. Hands-on and patient. 3. Make a report on the circumcision patient action with a certain amount. 4. The final test of circumcision skill. Mass circumcision. Mass circumcision, which is held by ASDOKI, is routinely done every year. Mass circumcision concept. Circumcision workshop. 2. ASDOKI social activity sharing. 3. Mass circumcision in its location or simultaneously throughout Indonesia. Mass circumcision and circumcision workshop. This was during the mass circumcision as a circumcision workshop. The doctor participants directly hands-on to the patient to perform circumcision with a guide by an ASDOKI.
Test. Hello, Dr. Darsono. Dr. Darsono.
Mass circumcision is most carried out in Indonesia by circumcision house, collaboration with institution or company. Orphan and Duafa program. ASDOKI has a program implemented by all circumcision places in Indonesia to make circumcision for orphan and Duafa free of charge. The implementation is carried out in a circumcision place. Data on children who were circumcised will be input into the ASDOKI database, so that we have data on the assessment of the number of children who were circumcised in a certain period. ASDOKI media member website, www.asdoki.org, Facebook ASDOKI Pusat, Instagram asdoki.official, YouTube ASDOKI Official, Telegram. For ASDOKI member communication, media for sharing knowledge about circumcision and the affection of home circumcision service in Indonesia use Telegram. There are around 250 circumcision places throughout Indonesia, which work together with other ASDOKI for clinic circumcision place. Church and unit develop as friends together, has the same concept, collective circumcision education for Indonesia people. Online marketing. ASDOKI also provides online marketing learning to its members, such as the Womkobo event. Here we learn online and offline circumcision clinic branding and marketing concepts. Media, social optimization, promotion content, GEO website, clinic management. Health application. ASDOKI also health application for circumcision such as drsunat.com and drhitan.com. Application that contain information on circumcision place throughout Indonesia that can be accessed by the Indonesia people. The application includes educational information, location, method of circumcision, price for circumcision, user review of circumcision place in Indonesia. ASDOKI progress. Perdim Malaysia. Dr. Darsono and Dr. Jaka Suganda as a representative of ASDOKI was also invited to a circumcision workshop at 2018 Malaysia Perdim event, which was attended by Malaysian doctors. During the event, for 5 days we explained a walking visit to ZSR Biomedical Technology and visit the ZS Stapler manufacturing plant. In the 2019 Asdoki and PT Visi Sejahtera Medica was invited to the second International Standardized Circumcision Technology Summit Forum in China and had the opportunity to visit Langhead Stapler manufacturing in China. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Darsono, for the appealing and informative speech. Now we are pleased to open the floor for the Q&A session. We also open
Yes.
for the international participants from the webinar part. Please.
Okay.
Please, if you have any question, you may ask by using the microphone provided.
Microphone is okay.
Is there any question?
Yeah.
Last call. Is there any question?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I think that's all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Dr. Darsono.
Okay.
Okay. No question from us.
Any question?
Thank you very much, everyone. Now, we're pleased to have a tea break for about 30 minutes. Please, if you want to use the washroom, you can head straight to the one in the hall. And everyone can take some time to visit our booth exhibitor. Our next session will begin at 11:30 a.m. Thank you.